Here's how you go from this to this in no time using JessEm's Box Joint Jig. First, choose your box joint, then install the supplied key and matching Baltic birch fins. Once you've attached them both, lift the rear pins and slide it onto the base. Release the pins once it's set and it should glide effortlessly on the track. Next, set the jig into your miter track. Using the 4-way adjustment knobs and bolts, center your router bit with the end of the cutting slot. Then lock it in place. If you own JessEm's Master Lift or Router Lift 2, simply align the locking mechanism with the corresponding hole and it'll be ready to go. Now, set your bit height to match the thickness of your board. Use a piece of scrap wood or your tool setting gauge as reference. Next, set your wood against the key and make your first cut. Then move your board over, dropping the cut portion onto the key. Repeat until the board is completely cut. When the first board is done, flip it around, then bump your next board up to it and cut. Repeat this process until all boards are complete. When all your boards are done, you're ready for assembly. This whole process takes only minutes to complete, and you're left with perfect, clean box joints every single time.